Okay, we could take it two ways. We are walking me to what's in on top of blue waves. I had to look away, but it was too late. I drink the Kool-Aid. I really thought that it was Gucci, maybe it was too late. No, my mama would have never let me. Hypothetically,